Today's topic is gonna be Doordash. How much I hate Doordash. 1496. Thank you. Again, same place, different name. Thank you. This app is always on trouble. Like Doordash, like they need to fix it. One time I tried to log in whole day, it doesn't let me. Now it does not let me confirm this thing. I'm going to Uber. It's responding, but Doordash doesn't respond. This cannot be, man. Like I've been having this issue very much. This lady, like sometimes I try to log in and totally let me. Like it will be like this, stuck, nothing responding. Look now. I already took an order, so now I just need to go through the app and then press directions so I can know where I'm gonna deliver this order. And I am stuck here. My goodness. This is actually my first trip. Just woke up not long ago. It's 11. Woke up at 10 or 11:30 right now. What should I do, guys? This is the Doordash fault here. I think it's not starting again. Should I restart my phone or maybe it might help? But I don't think it's my phone because I can go through other apps like UberEats. But this one, it's just taking some time somehow. I just took the order and I wanted to confirm it, and it wouldn't let me though to press the button. This is really bad. The customer's gonna see me like I just stuck here. Okay, I'm just gonna call Doordash. Oh, I'm just gonna restart and see. Let me restart the phone. What? You're dashing now. Okay. Return. Guys, I already took an order and now it shows me I haven't. Oh, what the fuck? I need to call customer service. Hi, so I'm this here. So I put food on 10 minutes ago, and something happened, and now I'm food, not food, yeah, so frozen for some time, and so I decided to close it out, and see, I'm getting the customer service, and so I decided to turn off the phone, and second, and now it's together, information about the customer service, I'm stuck here.
My name is Princess. How can I help?
Hello?
Hello?
I was just put on hold 10 minutes ago. There's a situation here. I've been waiting for like 20 minutes. I'm stuck with the customer order.
Let me just pull up your account here. Can you please provide me your email address? And this is for an order at Paradise Restaurant.
Yes, correct. Okay, but what about the customer information? Are you gonna send me? Because that's erased. I don't have it on my account. That's why I'm calling for the customer information so I can drop the food. No, this cannot be, man. Like more than half an hour for this order and I have to deliver this thing? Let me know, guys, like what would you have done in this situation? Okay.
Alright, so you're good to go?
Thank you. This is the worst situation that can happen right now. I just started my first shift and this is what I'm dealing with right now. I'm trying to do my job here. This is time got wasted. Me guys know if it happened to you guys before. Sorry. Sure. Nice. It's just right here. Today's topic is gonna be Doordash. How much I hate Doordash. I wasted 1 hour and I don't even know if I got paid because I can't confirm that I delivered the food or either confirm that I pick it up. So I don't know later on how it will appear in the app. I'm really curious to see. Imagine I walked for free and been there for like an hour. I could have done something else. Hello, Melody. No problem. Sam. Thank you. 1496. Thank you. Again, same place, different name. Another one, B1730. Yes, that's fine. Thank you. You too.
Lower penthouse, 48.
Hello, hi. I have a UberEats pickup. Thank you. You too. I think it's right here. Thank you. Oh wow. Guys, remember like when I had the issue with the Doordash order and I needed to Doordash to send me the address and so I can deliver the food. Apparently I haven't seen the money through the app, like it doesn't show I have been transferred the money. Like, this is crazy. So right now I'm just trying to call Doordash and see what's happening. It was like 11 o'clock and now it's 6, so I'm just gonna call them. Oh, well, it's been 13 minutes. No reply.
Turn left on Peter Street.
Hello, I got this order for Shimiao D. Thank you. Bye bye. I just don't understand. Some people will request to meet at the door, but they never showed up. That's the reason I was waiting there. It says meet at the door, no, leave you at the door. So I tried to message, no reply, call, no reply. So I'm just gonna drop the food there.